Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the Conehead Mantis in Heartopia. So you'll be able to find it when it is either daytime or dusk. The weather needs to be rainbow or rainy, and it's going to be located near the ruins. You will see the Conehead Mantis like around the grassy areas. So make sure you kind of go around the perimeters of the ruins and not like the inner part, because this is where I found the Conehead Mantis. You also need to be level 9 of the insect catching hobby, and that's what it looks like. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!